All right, so I got this tire, and goes flat within a day, and it was flat, so I filled it up with some air, and I can hear some hissing noise coming from it somewhere. So I'm going to go find the leak and see if I can repair this. I'm spraying on here. It's soap and water. I don't know. I may have gotten something here. Some bubbles forming. And yes, they are coming out right through there. That is my leak, and I'll show you that in 1 second. So we see right here, got bubbles coming out. Soap and water. Figure anything out. Now, if I took this to a tire shop, they're not going to fix this. They're going to say it's too close to the sidewall. Well, I'll tell you what, sidewall to me is here now. Okay? And you know what? I'm fixing that. So I'll show you how to do that. So, what you're going to want to do is get you a set of these tire repair kits. They come with these strings in here, which will go into a hole that you will make with these tool tools. I have about 20 of these. Every time I have a flat tire, I just seem to keep buying another set because they're only $5. So, but these replacement things are only $2 each for a whole 5 or 10 of them. What you're going to want to do is use this tool first. And we're going to line up this tool second here with one of these. So I'm going to take one out and just get it ready, set to go. So we make everything nice and fast. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to string it right through this with the eye. There you go. I got that through, started a little bit, and I'm just going to pull it right through. Probably wouldn't hurt to have a pair of pliers. Anyway, I want to get this threaded into it's about right in the middle. And then I'll pop it up like that. Come back over to my tire. Again, I want to find the leak. Remove the nail if there was a nail. There's some kind of object in here, but I ain't going to get it out. It's tiny and small. So I know my object's right there. Now I'm going to take this tool and put it right where it's leaking. It's actually hit a nail, so I'm going to take out the nail first, right here. That was the nail. We'll just chuck that. Hopefully we won't run over it. Now where the nail was, I'm going to take that tool and jab right into it. Twist in and push in. And what I'm going to do is make a hole wide enough for this to fit through. It is a little hard. Get to the side so I get more leverage. Twist in and push it in. It's going into the tire. There we go. We're in the tire at this point. Now what I want to do is keep doing this. Widen that hole right up. That sucks. Push in and out. Now I'll have a big enough hole where this is going to slip right through. We'll line it up, pull this out, and push this in at the same time. It can be hard. It means I need a bigger hole. Whew. Whew. There we go. Now it's in the tire. There we go. Now that the thread is in the tire, I'll take my tool and just pull out. Hopefully that will stay in there. Now with the excess trim, I will snip it off with a pair of scissors. But that's how you plug a tire. Now this tire is going to be good as new. Also, no leaks. Thanks again, guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Catch you in the next video.